people, I welcome you all to another episode of Sindhu's Simple Cooking. Are you guys really bored of waiting for the fermentation time for the dosa batter? Then today I bring to you a very simple and easy to make dosa, which is Neer dosa. This is a very famous recipe in Udupi Karnataka. So this dosa doesn't need any fermentation time, doesn't need any urad dal. So let's dive in and start making this recipe.
To make this recipe, I am taking 2 cups of raw rice. I recommend you to use only raw rice for this recipe. Wash this well. Soak this for about 4 to 6 hours. You can also soak this overnight. After about 6 hours, our rice has soaked well. Add the rice to the mixie jar. I am adding 1 cup of grated coconut. Grind them to a very fine paste. Add required water and grind them. Our mixture is ready. Add salt as per your taste. As the name suggests, this is Neer dosa, so we need the batter to be in a watery consistency. So I am adding total of 750 ml of water to this. So look at the consistency. The batter has to be in a watery consistency to get very soft Neer dosas. Our batter is ready now. Heat a tawa. Make sure the tawa is really very hot. I'm not using any oil here, I'm just wiping it with a tissue. Add in a ladle of batter and just roll it out. Let it cook for a minute or 2. After about a minute and a half, you can see the sides separating out of the pan. The dosa sides are separating out of the pan. Our dosas are ready now. This dosa doesn't even require any oil. It's a very healthy form of dosa. Doesn't require any fermentation time too. It's very easy to make. Doesn't require a lot of time and effort. So enjoy this amazing Neer dosa with any chutney or sambar of your choice.
If you're planning to make this dosa for the breakfast, I recommend you to soak the rice the previous night itself. Let it soak for 4 to 6 hours so that you can get a very soft Neer dosas. So try this amazing recipe at home and enjoy this with your family and friends. Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sindhu's Simple Cooking. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Thank you for watching.